All right, so we got the S15 out today. There is a car meet at TF Works, a TOUGE Factory here in Chicago. Well, it's actually in Wheeling, Illinois, but it's near the Chicagoland area. We're going to hit it up because there's a lot of Silvios there. They specialize in basically any car, but they have a lot of Silvios that are K-swap. So we're going to take the car out. It is a little dirty. I might give it a quick wipe and clean up the inside really quick before I go. But yeah, it should be a pretty cool meet. So I'm gonna show up, show some love, and hopefully get some footage of some cars.
What kind of car?
It's a real S15. They stole the seats off it though. Bumper looks cool.
You can see the lip really nice in the front.
Who's the owner? I must know. Oh, that steering wheel's cool. It's nice. RX-7. at the T-Bell drive-thru. So, quick fixer-upper right now. I'm not sleeping till this wheel is shiny again. Thank God at least they're chrome and not like a finish, because then I'd have to get the fucking wheel repainted. So, just went to Walmart, picked up some sanding paper because this is my $20 fix real quick. So we're going to start with 180. I got 400, 800, and 1500. I've actually fixed the back wheel once before. You probably can never tell. It came out really good, actually. I think I fixed it like right down here. You can kind of see it. It needs a polish again, but you can kind of see it. Like I curved the fuck out of it right there. Like basically half the wheel. Like this, you see those indents? Those are like some deep ones. But I've done a wheel repair once before, so sadly I'm back again. Curving the hot girl wheels. So I'm gonna try to get down on it. Otra vez. Alright, yeah. Well, I didn't record anything, but there's the curb rash. Well, supposedly. Allegedly. There it goes. Alright. Now I can go to sleep. Here, pretty cool spot, Union Station. Got the pink underglow to match the background. s15 in the city.
Me faltaron las tortas.
Cocodo cake, wheat cake. So we're gonna try this out, see what's goody with it. Says wheat cake. Never tried it, but we're going to. Wheat cake. It's like a nice soft bread. Kind of reminds me of a pound cake, but yes, let's try it. See. Definitely looks like it was made with deliciousness. So I feel like I tried this stuff before. Take a look at this. So it's like it's hard to explain it, but I've tried that stuff in there before. It's pretty good. It's a nice, like, not too sweet. Like, it's good. I like the bread around it too.